way. So competition-wise, have you ever done any track driving?
No.
Never?
Never.
And you'd never driven a car with the gear lever on it, so never. So this was all an entirely new thing for you out there. Who would like to see Andy's lap? Yeah! Let's have a look then. Come on, let's put it up. Here we go in the brown C''D. Are you pleased with that?
Good start.
Yeah, you were. You actually look quite sinister with that moustache.
No, tell me about it.
Just say, let's have a look through the first corner. That's taming its understeer nicely there. That's very good. Ooh, running a bit wide. Everybody does, though.
Don't forget to brake.
No, good idea. Into Chicago again. It does run wide, that car. Very safe, very brown, very slow. Hammerhead. Very tricky corner here. No, it's a quick left, quick right. That's very well done, though. That was excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, stuck a bit slow on the gear change.
This is my lap, baby.
Sounds quite, yeah.
I didn't know that Groucho Marx knew how to drive.
There was slightly Marx X to it, though. That's very quick. Now you got the tricky corner.
So far.
This is where most of our celebrities go off, but that was nicely handled. Do you get Gambon right this time? Let's have a look. Beautifully cut, taking the actual Gambon line, and there we are. Well done. Where do you think you've come on our relatively new board? You don't know any of these names, do you? Do you not know
I know
Louis
Angelina
Spears?
Jolie. I see
Angelina.
Jolie.
She didn't look quite like I thought. She was kind of fat and a bit bald. Might have been a comedian, but who's pretending to be Angelina.
Oh, I see, okay.
Louis Spence, you don't know him, presumably.
No, but I certainly would like to be at least ahead of him.
No, you don't.